So guys, I've been lying.
What the hell are you talking about?
Well, more like hiding something. I've been hiding my largest ecom brand to date. A business that has generated me over $6.5 million in online sales over the past 2 years. This is probably going to be the most interesting dropshipping video that you have ever seen. So grab a drink, grab some popcorn, sit down, and enjoy the video. But first, proof. I'm going to pull up the Shopify dashboard for this business. And here, if that focuses, you guys should be able to see $6.5 million on the dashboard. I'm going to give that a quick refresh. Waiting for this to load. Come on, come on, come on. Come on now. And there you guys go, $6.5 million on the dashboard. This is Shopify Analytics. Some of you guys are probably thinking this is complete bullshit. A 21-year-old who has done over $7 million in online sales with e-commerce, who's built a personal brand, a creative agency, an education company, all while being a full-time business student at university and maintaining a solid work-life balance. Now, it's okay if you're thinking that, because in fact, you're half right. What I've achieved in the past 3 years is next to impossible for someone so young coming into entrepreneurship with zero experience, no handout, no Einstein level IQ, no special talents, or no fancy degree. And trust me, I am definitely not one of those special cases. I'm just a regular person, no different from any of you watching this video. But here's how I did it. Believe it or not, my best skill in business is the ability to work with others, my emotional intelligence, my project management, and being able to build out solid teams. And this is something that I've been working on since day one. Now, don't get me wrong, I put in the hard work day in and day out to achieve what I have over the past couple years, but I have to give credit where credit is due. And in all my companies, I have stellar business partners, mentors, employees that I would not have been able to achieve anywhere close to the results I have without them. Now, let me say one thing before I break down how this $6 million brand came to be and why I've been so intensely private about it for so long. So first of all, I have a business partner on this store and he keeps his work life intensely private. So he doesn't have a YouTube channel, an Instagram account, any form of personal brand, and that's the way he likes to keep things. Now, maybe a few of you can guess who the business partner is for this store if you guys know me well enough, but bottom line, he wouldn't have appreciated it if I was constantly name dropping him, our numbers, our business, and all of these things. He wanted to keep his work life private from everything else. And rightfully so, he's worked extremely hard on this business and not a single cent of the $6.5 million would have been able to be achieved without him as well. So it was my duty to respect his privacy as we were scaling up this brand. And of course, I've had a mentor since day one, which not a lot of you guys know about it, someone who has generated over $30 million in online sales by the age of 30. You may know him, his name's Jad Kantari. He's actually working a little bit on his personal brand now too, so that is why I can finally announce this. I look up to this man like a big brother, and I truly wouldn't have achieved any of this without his expertise. But there's more as to why I kept this brand private as well. People start to treat you differently when they see your level of success. And it's unavoidable. It's just human nature. People know I'm doing well for my age, given what I post on YouTube, Instagram, social media. But boasting about the specifics and the exact dollar figures in my business takes things a little bit too far in my opinion and puts a huge target on my back for hate, crime, etc., etc. So with that, I've kept my hand in this business very private for so long. The only people who know about this business in depth are the students that I work with one-on-one inside of my mentorship program. For them, I hold absolutely nothing back. And that is why I've built what I believe is to be one of the best education spaces for e-commerce in the game. Not only do we teach dropshipping and the fundamentals of e-commerce, but I literally break down my life day to day and show students the exact steps that I took starting 3 years back to get to where I am now and how I got here so fast. But the best part about the education company is that my mentor from day one, Jad, has actually joined me in offering private help to some of my top students looking to scale to 7 figures and beyond, along with all of his teams and resources that he's had for many, many years. And that's why we've been getting such insane results. If you guys have been keeping up with my Instagram stories, like Raichan, who's done over $10,000 in a single day in this past week with pure organic TikTok marketing, or like Chandler, who has done $7,000 in a single day, again, purely organic with 70 20% profit margins. But anyways, we're drifting away from what I wanted to focus on for this video. So the next question I need to answer for you guys is, why did I now decide to share this brand publicly? Well, because I'm making a huge decision, one that has massive opportunity cost and that I've thought about for a very long time. And this decision, I believe, is the one that can change the most lives and also has the greatest chance of leaving a legacy. And that decision is to double down on my personal brand. Showcase who I am, what I do, why I do it, bring more personality and more value to every single piece of content that I put out into this world. I really don't like holding things back, but sometimes I have to do it for very difficult reasons. But from this point forward, I want to reveal absolutely as much as possible. From my day-to-day life to my personality to my businesses and how much money I'm generating, I want to put this all on the table for you guys to show you exactly how to do it. And on another note, I'm sick of people calling me a scam guru because I'm not showing enough proof or something like that, because I work damn hard and I want everyone to know that. So starting with this brand, follow along for the journey, because I'm going to keep you guys updated with exactly what I'm doing at all times when it comes to business and even personal life and other stuff like that. Now, for everyone who's watching this far, just to see me reveal the winning product or the online store, not going to happen. Again, my business partner was generous enough for me to come on here and break down the sales and show you guys the living proof that yes, we actually did scale this business to this high of a number in the past 2 years. But for now, I still have to respect his wishes and keep everything else, like the products and the website, as private as possible. The only people who as of now are getting full insight to the brand, exactly how I've done it, the online storefront itself, are the students inside of my education company that I work one-on-one with. If you do want the opportunity to apply to work with me one-on-one, I'm taking a huge leap with the education company this year. A couple different things you can do. You can reach out to me on Instagram. I'm always in the DMs answering each and every one of you, so we can chat there, or you can go ahead and book a formal discovery call and application at the first link down below in the description. Anyways, I just wanted to come on here, give you guys an update, show you guys the brand that I've been hiding, break down some of the missing pieces in my entrepreneurial journey, and show you guys kind of my thought process as to why I do things and why I don't do other things. I know this was a different kind of video, but really appreciate all the love and support from each and every one of you guys. It would mean the world to me if you guys can go down below and smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm so I can help impact more people. Thank you guys so much. I'll see you guys in next week's video. Peace. Perfect.